This substation is effectively what we would call state-of-the-art. So it can accommodate system changes, emergencies, storms, failures, and basically make all those changes without the customer at the end of the line notice anything.
We all know our customers are plugged in all the time. We have a lot of folks that work from home, run businesses from home. Their power is very critical. We want to try to minimize any interruptions as much as possible.
I don't think any of us know until our lights go off and then they go right back on. That's when you're going to know that, wow, we used to lose our electricity for weeks or days. Now we don't lose that.
I am so thankful to Ameren for continuing to invest in the critical infrastructure that we need in the city of St. Louis.
The collaboration that went into this project is absolutely aligned with the collaboration with the community partners, utilities, and our first responders, which I absolutely call Ameren a first responder now more than ever. What it means is that we will have the things that we need in this neighborhood now more than ever after the May 16th tornado.
We're only a block away from where the storm really rolled through here and created devastation for this community. And just be able to rebuild this community and have reliable power so that the community and the businesses that settle here, they have strong, reliable power.
As we rebuild, continue to recover from that, and then continue the rebuilding that was already happening, the growth that was already happening in this neighborhood prior to May 16th, that we will now be more than ever ready if we have any kind of challenges or outages in our power.
We hear the name Ameren and we think of Ameren as one big, huge corporation. But it's people. It's so many individual people that doing a specific job for one consistent reason, reliable electricity, working together, getting us restored during the storms, building new critical infrastructure, maintaining the electricity that we have. It's those individual people trying to solve and bring those technologies to our community that really make our community strong on the backbone of Ameren's work.
We are really proud of this event, and we're proud to show it off and proud to be a part of a community where it works together with Ameren, with Delmar Devine, with our Alder people, with Metro Bus, with all the workmen that come to work on this project. That's what it takes to be a great city, and we have all those ingredients, and we are a great city.